So this is what the tractor seat looked like when they first brought it to us. You can see there's no board for the bottom. Okay, so we made a new board for that. The board is shot for the armrest. And you can see also for the backrest that the board is shot. So we made all new boards and covered it with black vinyl. Also replaced all the hardware and lightly sanded the brackets.
Here is the Caterpillar seating area. We decided to go out and do some fitting.
Okay, so now we're painting the boards for the tractor seat and getting the bolts off, old rusty bolts here, so we can replace them. Okay, so here are the brackets for the armrests here, and these are the brackets for the seat, the backrest. So I'm going to lightly sand these, and then we are going to paint them. Okay, so we're out here fitting the tractor seat, and we've got the bolts lined up for the backrest. We've got the bottom fitting nice and the armrests. Okay, so here's the tractor seat. We're out here fitting it. We've got the brackets lined up, the armrest, and the seat board with the pins. We're gonna fix that one. We gotta drill it out a little bit more, and then we're gonna make one for this hole also. Okay, now we've got the boards painted. You see here how we painted them black. I made the covers here, and so we just got it tacked right now. And then down there for that one, I got that board also painted black, the foam cut, and then we also got the boards painted for the armrests, which mount to these brackets here, and the material cut. We're doing 2-inch foam on the armrest, 5-inch foam on the seat, and 4-inch for the backrest. Okay, so now I'm finishing off the armrests so I can mount them to the bracket. Okay, and I've also got the brackets mounted on the right for the right side. And it'll sit like that. Okay, so we got the bottom seat cushion all tacked. We just have to finish it out. Okay, now I got the bottom all finished out and trimmed up. And here is the top. Okay, so now that I've got the backrest finished out, I'm going to put on the brackets. Okay, here's the brackets. So now we are going to mount them. Okay, and now we have the brackets on the back to mount the seat. Okay, so there's also a shot of the seat from the front.
All done with this project. Thank you for checking us out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you on the next one.